English and educational updates. Dear students, what do you see there in the picture, right? Is your mouth watering by looking at the food item being served on the plate? Wonderful. Today's vocabulary word from our CBSE class 10 7th unit, the necklace lesson, where the lady thought of the exquisite food served in marvelous dishes. So, this is the context we have brought in to learn the word exquisite. Listen to the pronunciation again. It's a bit tough. Please do pronounce and follow me. Exquisite. Exquisite. EXQUISITE, which is an adjective having the meaning extremely beautiful and delicate. So this is the initial information. In English, in Telugu equivalent, Adbhutamaina, Ati Sundaramaina. Let us now look at the example sentences extracted here. The bride wore an exquisite gown on her wedding day. This is the first example. Second example reads, very important in this context, the chef prepared an exquisite meal that delighted all the guests. Right? Now let us see the Telugu equivalent meanings of the example sentences. Right? So here, the third example here, అంటే తెలుగులో వచ్చేసరికి వంట చేసే వ్యక్తి చాలా రుచికరమైన అట్రాక్టివ్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ తయారు చేశాడు. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ పెళ్లి కూతురు అట్రాక్టివ్ గౌన్ వేసుకోవడం జరిగింది. సో థర్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సెంటెన్స్ రీడ్స్, ది ballerinas movement were so graceful and precise. It was an exquisite performance. So ati sundaramaina and attractive and beautiful. So synonyms of the word exquisite or beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, delicate, elegant. Antonyms, opposite words are ugly, unattractive, crude, rough and refined. సో అందమైన, అద్భుతమైన, మనోహరమైన తెలుగులో సినానిమ్స్ అయితే, అదే వ్యతిరేక పదాలు అయితే అసహ్యకరమైన, కఠినమైన అని చెప్పవచ్చు. సో డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫర్ SSC performance, please go to playlist and access all the vocabulary words and CBSE simplified PPT notes. So here is an interesting picture where an imaginary fight between Pythagoras and Einstein for this C square, right? So for this updates, please follow our previously uploaded videos to get user manual, step-by-step entry explanations for smooth submission of the